Walmart shoppers beware. CEO Doug McMillon telling investors the world's largest retailer is preparing to raise prices because of President Trump's trade war. McMillon says that Walmart does our best to keep our prices as low as possible, but given the magnitude of the tariffs, even at the reduced levels announced this week, we aren't able to absorb all the pressure given the reality of the narrow retail margin. Our business correspondent, Alexis Christoforous, joining me now. All right, where and when could we see these price increases?
Those are the questions, Kira. Yeah, Walmart warning that you can soon expect prices to go up, hitting its store shelves this month and into the summer. In fact, it's already started to raise some prices on bananas, for instance, one of its most popular products. Who knew? Raising the price of bananas from 50 cents a pound to 54 cents a pound. And in the coming weeks, it's going to raise prices, it says, on things like coffee, avocados, even flowers. And here's the deal. Walmart's basically saying, look, we cannot continue to absorb higher costs due to the tariffs. They're going to have to start passing that along to consumers. And when you think about it, Walmart's really better positioned than most retailers. It has a global supply chain. Its sheer size means it can negotiate better deals with suppliers. If even it is saying it's having a hard time with those higher costs, you can bet other retailers will follow suit. We know that a lot of companies, Kira, have been trying to absorb these higher costs and not pass those pricing pressures on to consumers. We saw it in today's wholesale inflation report, which fell more than expected. Consumers don't want to scare off, or businesses rather, don't want to scare off consumers. We saw that retail sales in April barely budged, showing that consumers are already holding back their spending. But remember, once these tariffs were announced by President Trump, other retailers like Target, Best Buy, and Home Depot warned of higher prices to come. It could be a matter of weeks.
Alexis Christoforous, thank you so much.